So let me sort of ask the question again. How much bigger is the diameter of the larger pupil than the smaller pupil? How many times bigger? Who can raise their hand? Charles, what do you think, buddy?
3 times.
Wait a minute.
No.
Did you guys hear that? Do you think it's 3 times?
Yes.
Do you think it's 3 times? Well, guess what? Charles is right. It is 3 times bigger. So I'm going to write this. This is called a scale factor of 3. Can everybody say that? Scale factor of 3. Dilating 3 times. Now, do you guys know why eye doctors like to do that? Do you guys know why?
No.
Eye doctors have to put drops in your eyes. And they do that so your eyes open way, way up, and they could put light into your eyes and see what's going on in the back. So they take a magnifying glass and they look inside to your retina, your optic nerve, your blood vessel, and other parts of your eyes that can't be seen otherwise. Now, who can tell me the scale factor going from big to small? If the scale factor going small to big is 3 times, who can tell me the scale factor from big to small? Lucia? What do you think? Lucia, you had your hand up. Does anybody else, Tess, can you put your hand up electronically, please?
I don't
And Lucia, do you want to share? Go ahead, Julian, and you're going to have to unmute yourself, Julian, because you're muted. But I am calling on you, Julian. There you go, buddy.
I think it's 0.3.
Did you say 0.3?
Yes.
Wow. Guys, do you know that Julian is so right that it is approximately 0.3, and a lot of you can think about it as 1/3. Can you guys say 1/3?
1/3.
1/3. So guys, if we looked at this, the diameter of the smaller pupil, it's actually 1/3 of the larger diameter. And everyone, that's called a dilation. Everybody say this word.
Dilation.
And a dilation is to make things bigger or smaller. Now, who would like to see a really cool dilation? Do you guys see the chess pieces?
Yeah, the night.
Yeah, they're nice. Now, a scale factor of 1 means that we don't make it bigger or smaller. We don't make it bigger. We don't make it smaller. We keep it just the way it was. That's the original. Now, who can tell me the scale factor of the smaller chess piece? Who can tell me the scale factor of the smaller one? Ava, go ahead, Ava. And Ava, you are muted, so you're going to have to unmute yourself. Everybody unmute themselves right now, please. Everybody unmute themselves. Go ahead, Ava.
It wasn't really about that. I just had a connection about when I got my eye drops.
Well, please share that, sweetheart. Please share that.
So last time I went to the eye doctor, she dilated my eyes, and I went to school and I had to do this paper and I couldn't see anything.
Oh my gosh, those eye drops are so special, and they make your eyes very, very sensitive to light. And
They sting.
It's really blurry.
They kind of sting.
I know. So I'm going to call on Charles, but Charles, you're going to have to unmute yourself. Avery, you're going to have to unmute yourself. Victoria and Julian and Lila, and Harry are going to have to unmute themselves. And Andrew.
We can.
So go ahead, Charles.
I think 0.
He gave us a chance
Oh.
to do it, Mama.
Wait a minute. Do you guys want to see?
I can't.
Do you guys want to see a zero dilation? Are you guys ready? Don't get scared. Look at the night. Look at the night. And a 0 scale factor makes it disappear.
Wow.
Would you like me to bring it back?
Yes.
There it is. So it's not a scale factor of 0. It's got to be between 0 and 1. Who could look at the length, the width of it, and the height of it?
Maybe this.
Lila, what do you think, Lila?
I think it's half.
Oh, everybody give her a round of applause, please. It is true. It is a scale factor of 1/2. So proud of you. That's awesome. Now, are you ready for the next question? What is the scale factor of the bigger one? Of the bigger one. And remember,
Can you write infinity for me?
at the original, how many times wider? How many times wider? Who can answer that question? Alexander, I'm going to choose you, buddy. Go ahead.
1.5.
Wow. Alexander, I'm going to write your answer down. I'm going to write your answer down because it is so close. 1.5, really, really good. Who has another idea? Who has another idea? Anybody want to raise their hand electronically? And Harry, what about you, buddy?
3.5.
3.5. I'm going to write that down too. That's really, really big. Julian, I'm going to call on you, but you're going to have to unmute yourself. Go ahead.
What's the scale factor? I think it's 2.
Whoa. Guess what, guys? 1 1/2 was a little too small. 3.5 was a little too big. But guess what is just right? It is a scale factor of 2. Everybody give you guys a round of applause. I am so proud of you. That was so
It's
cool.
the number that represents how
Now,
big
guys, could we
my guess
each
was that this one was
make
only
our own? Are you guys ready?
1.5 scale.
I'm going to show you
Okay.
what this looks like. So when we take this original right here, and we want to make it a scale factor of 1/2, we actually go half the distance to the origin. Can everybody see the smiley face? You guys, everybody say point of origin.
Point of origin.
Right. And so the smaller triangle has a 1/2 scale factor because it's shrunk into 1/2. But look at the scale factor of 2. Did that shrink or did that get bigger?
Bigger.
That got bigger. So that got even bigger. Now, I want to show you guys something right now. Everybody go to page 4 in their packet, please. Go to page 4 in your packet. And I'm going to enlarge this. And I want you to go to the bottom of the page. Now, do you guys see the point 5, 1 right here?
Yes.
The point 5, 1. Now, for anybody who forgot how we find the point 5, 1, who can give an example somebody who's never done this before that can go to an elevator and a floor. Go ahead, Charles.
Elevator number 5 and then floor 1.
Everybody look at it. We go to elevator number 5, and then we hit the button, floor number 1, up, 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 right to here. So everybody look at that. We just went from 5-1, and we're gonna have to dilate it by a scale factor of 2. So I want you all to look at the number 5. What happens if we double the number 5, everybody? What happens? 5 becomes what?
And
Everybody show me with their hand. Everybody go like this. 5 becomes 10. Do it again. 5 becomes 10. Show me. Come on, Lucia, show me. 5 becomes 10. Now, do you guys see where Mr. Kramer wrote down an elevator of 10? And then we have a floor. Our floor is 1. Everybody look at 1. And why don't you double it to what? 1 becomes what?
2.
2. 1 becomes what? 2. So we have to double every single point. So 5-1 becomes what, everybody? Say it out loud.
10, 2.
Right. Now what happens if we blow up triangle B to triangle C? And that's also a scale factor of 2. Everybody give me 10 doubled. Go ahead. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
20.
And give me 2 doubled. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
4.
So now, everybody, we have to go to the point 24. Does everybody see point 24?
Yeah.
Now, watch this. You're really gonna like this. Are you ready? Mr. Kramer's gonna make a line from the origin all the way to point 5-1, 10-2, and 24. Isn't that cool that they all are on the same line? And watch this. Now I'm going to go to point 2-1, 4-2, 8-4, and are they all on the same line? And then I'm going to go to point 2-3, 4-6, and 8-12. Isn't that a beautiful picture of a dilation? Now, Victoria, do you have a question? And you'll have to unmute yourself so you can be heard.
I just wanted to ask if you could unmute me.
Oh, okay, you can unmute yourself, actually. You can unmute yourself. So, because what, honey?
Because I pressed unmute and then it just said that that you made me mute.
Oh, okay, I get it. And Julian, I'm trying to unmute you. Ava, I'm trying to unmute you. Cam, I'm trying to unmute you. But Cam, you also have no video. So I can't actually see you, which is okay if that's your choice. Now, everybody, let's go to my favorite page, page 6. Everybody go right now to page 6. And what you're going to see on page 6 is a picture of a knight that Mr. Kramer created. Now, you're going to go to page 6, and everybody right now locate point 5-3. Take your pencil and put it on point 5-3. Does everybody have it there? And Ava, I'm trying to unmute you, but you have to hit the button. Cam, I'm trying to unmute you, and I'm trying to ask you to start your video. Sabrina, as well, trying to unmute you, and there we are. So now, oh, Cam, I almost got to see you. That's awesome. And Lila, I'm going to try to unmute you. Excellent. Everybody is almost unmuted, Lila, except for Lila. There she goes. Okay, great. Now, is everybody's pencil on 5-3? Now, what happens when you double the 5? What do you get?
10.
What happens when you double 3? What do you get?
6.
So everybody right now, look at the point 10, 6, and make a little dot right where Mr. Kramer already made that dot for you. And then find point 93. And find point 93, and then make a little dot at 9-3, and who can double 9? Who's really good at doubling? Who can double 9? Say it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
18.
Oh my God.
Go to 18.
Double the 3 again.
My hand.
Now everybody locate the point 18.6 and draw a line across. You already should have a line on your page. Now I'm looking at point 94. Now point 94, I have to double the 9 and double the 4. So that brings me to point 9, 8. That brings me to point 9, 8. So everybody make a line to point 9, 8. Everybody make a line to point 9, 8. And I love doubling numbers. It's so much fun. And that's why I love a scale factor of. Okay. Now,
Page 6.
we're on page, I'll tell you in a second. We are on page 6, yes. And Ava, you are still muted. So Ava, when you raise your hand, I can't call on you because you're muted. Now you're not muted. Go ahead, honey.
That's what I was going to say. I couldn't unmute myself.
Okay. Now I'm going to see if I can fix that. Let's see. Mute. Allow participants to unmute themselves. Maybe that will help. Okay. So everybody, what's the next point? The next point is 8, 5. Let's double the 8. What do we get? Come on, guys. What do we get when we double 8? Say it.
16.
And what happens when we double 5? What do we get? So everybody go to 1610. Everybody go to 1610. And if you want to keep going, double the coordinates for every single point. The next one I'm going to do is 8, 6. And 8, 6 gets doubled to 16, 12. So everybody go up to 6, 12. And if anybody has any questions, raise your hand electronically and we can talk about your specific point.
Oh, Jasmine. You just look. I need to do this.
The next point I'm going to do is 9, 6. 9, 6 becomes 16, 12. By the way, somebody who's calling out for Jasmine, please mute yourself. Whoever's calling out for somebody named Jasmine, please mute yourself because we can't hear everything. Okay? I have a question, honey. You have a question.
Can we slow down?
Absolutely, sweetheart. And what point are you on right now, Avery?
I caught up, but
Avery, what point are you on right now? What point in the original diagram?
1612.
Okay, 1612 in our dilation. Good. So now we're ready to go to 9-6 double. So 9-6 doubled is what? 18 what? 18 12. 18 12. So everybody can go to 1812. And who's ready to go to the next point? Who's ready to go to the next point? So now, guys, the next point at 8, 8. Wait, can we double 8, 8? Everybody double 8, 8. Go. Everybody double 8, 8.
16.
Oh, so say it, 16, 16. 16, 16. Everybody go to 16, 16. Oh my God, that's so awesome. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
Oh man.
Okay, who's ready to go to the next point?
Not me.
Okay, I'll wait for you guys. Harry, how are you doing, buddy? I don't see you writing.
What?
Harry, are you writing on page 6? Are you creating this?
Yeah.
Okay, so what point are you on, buddy? Harry, what point are you on?
I'm on. I forgot. I don't know which point I'm on. I forgot.
Well, why don't you look at your diagram and that will actually tell you. Which is good. Cam, can I see yours, buddy? Cam. Wow, everybody. Cam. Cam, that's so awesome. I see it again, buddy. Cam, move that cup. Because if you the cup is gonna fall. Now hold up your sheet, Cam, to the cup, to the screen.
Hold your sheet.
Cam, hold your picture up to the screen.
Talk to him. He's talking to you.
All right. So Cam, if you want to move on to the next one, which is K on page 8, you can do that.
Okay.
Cam, you can move on to page 8.
Move on page 8.
Everybody stay on page 6. We're now going to go to 9, 11. What happens when we double the 9? We go to 18. When we double 11, where do we go?
You want to make it look
Double 11, where do we
22. 22.
go? Okay, so let's go to 18 and 22.
I don't know. Oh, 18. Oh, I know what we're doing.
Gotta pay attention.
Oh, guys, here's what the next one is. The next one is 813. And 813 gets us to 16. Who can double 13? Who can double 13? Go ahead and say it out loud, please.
26.
Okay.
Where do we go now?
So come on, let's go to 16 to 6. Let's go to 6
times 2 times
6. Wow.
See what he's doing?
And I have a hand up. Gabe, go for it, buddy. Go ahead, Gabe.
I'm stuck on 16 what was it? I don't know. 20? Yeah.
Well, 1620, buddy, is right over here.
I mean, not that one. I mean, 16
Look at your original, Gabe. Look at the small. Look at the small guy.
Hmm.
Tell me where your dot is on the small guy.
Like,
but we're not. Yeah. Oh. 16.
And Gabe, while you're looking for your point, Avery, I'm going to call on you.
Now, right here.
Avery, you are. I don't hear anything coming out of your screen, Avery.
Come here.
There's something wrong with your audio right now.
This is 5-3.
I don't think you're muted.
This.
I don't think you're muted. Gabe, did you figure out where you are?
I got him.
Okay, good. Good. Victoria, do you have a question?
it doesn't make it.
And Avery, were you able to speak now?
Yeah.
Okay, Avery, then you can ask me your question, honey. Go ahead.
I'm stuck at 1616.
Well, 1616. Let's go find that. So we're right over. Are you right over here, Avery? That's 1616.
Yes, I'm stuck there.
Now, Avery, the next point we have is 911. So, Avery, I want you to double the 9, and what do you get?
What is double?
18,
And if you double the 11, what do you get?
22.
And therefore, you want to find point 1822, which is right over here. Does that help?
Yes.
All right, awesome. Everybody go at their own pace. Go at their own pace. And if you're faster, you can go on to the K on that next page. Now, I'm going to go to my next point, which is 713. And 713, who can help me with 713? Who can help me double 7 and 13? Cam, that's awesome, Cam.
Double D8.
Cam, that's awesome. Awesome.
Double D13.
Who can help me with point 713? Can somebody raise their hand and help me? All right, so if nobody's gonna raise their hand, I'm gonna go to 1426. I'm gonna go to 1426. There it is, right there. And Julian, can I see your picture? Julian, can I see your picture? No. I'd like to see Andrew's picture. Oh, that's awesome. Victoria, I'd love to see yours. Violet, everybody show me your picture right now. Lucia, Charles, Alexander, Julian, Tess,
Mom, battery.
Violet, and Avery. Awesome. All right, guys, let's keep going. My next point is 412. Who can double 4? On 3. 1, 2, 3. 8. Who can double 12? Who can double 12?
24.
1, 2, 3.
24.
All right, let's go to 824 right now. And is that 824? No. There it is.
Here, you're gonna go. You have
Awesome. Awesome. Oh my God, Cam, that is amazing.
No, you have to double it.
Cam, that's so beautiful.
We're doing great.
All right, everybody, I'm going to my next point. I have 411.
411.
Double the 4, 8. Who can double 11? 22. So I have to go to 822. 822. And my night is really starting to come alive. My night really starting to come alive.
Here?
I'll show you. Oh, next one over. Yep.
And oh, my next point here, look at it, guys. It's 611.
So
Who can help me with 611? Raise your hand if you want to help me double 611.
12.
Oh, Gabe, go for it, buddy.
6 plus 6 equals 12, and 11 plus 11 equals 22.
You are the man. You are the man. So 22, I'm sorry. So I have to go to 12 and 22. Oh my God. Hey, Gabe, thank you so much. My next point, everybody. My next
Look at
is 6.
the factors and it's
Harry, double the 6. What do you get?
20.
I don't think that's 16.
Double the 6.
16. Oh yeah.
Try it again, Harry. 6 and 6.
6 and 6, 12.
Excellent. And now, can you please double the 10?
10, 20.
Awesome. There it is. So I just found 12, 20. Awesome. Does anybody have any questions? Did anybody get any of the points? All right. Now, Mr. Kramer's moving on to his next point. And my next point is 4, 8. And 4, 8. Who can double my 4? Who can double 4? Go for it.
8.
Go ahead, everybody.
8. 8.
And who can double my 8?
16.
Everyone, 816 is my next one. There it is. There it is. And I'm almost done with my night. I'm almost done with my dilation with a factor of 2. Lucia has a question. Go for it, sweetie.
Are we okay, sweetheart?
I didn't mean to put my hand up.
Okay, that's okay, love. That's okay. Now, everybody, my next point is 5, 6. Double 5, we get 10. Double 6, we get 12.
12. No, 10%.
And now I'm going to 6, 6. What would 6, 6 be, everybody? If I doubled 6 and 6, what would that be? Victoria, Lila, Ava, and Avery have to mute themselves, as well as Julian. And 12, 12 on 3. There we go. 12, 12. And now I need to go to 6, 5. 6, 5 is 12, 10. Oh, Victoria, go for it, honey. Victoria, you're going to have to unmute yourself.
I didn't quite get I don't know the coordinates for after 816. Can you repeat them?
You bet, sweetheart. You bet. So what happened, Victoria, I first had to look at my points 5, 6. And when I doubled my 5, I got 10. And when I doubled my 6, I got 12. So the coordinates are 10, 12. 10, 12. Lila, you have your hand up, sweetheart. Go for it.
I finished.
Can I see it? Can I see it? Hold it up to the screen.
Here we go. Here's
Oh my God, it's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Everybody, Mr. Kramer's going to just finish the last 3 points. This one here is 12, 10.
So 10, 8.
Going to 10, 8. And back to the beginning at 10, 6. Everybody, you did it. You did it. You did it. Oh my God, Gabe, yours is awesome. Tess, yours is beautiful. Hey Cam, show everybody yours again. Show everybody your night again. Alexander and Charles.
So
And
you just.
yeah, I want to see it. Oh, that's awesome.
Right.
Now, now, everybody, I want you to go to the screen that says number 8. It's number 8. Now, page 8 has a really big challenge. And I'm going to mute everybody for just a minute because there's a little bit of noise. You guys are changing. Okay. So now, everybody's muted. And I want everybody to look at Mr. Kramer's screen. Now, I picked K because K is the first letter in my last name. But do you know that you could pick your own? So for instance, what I did for you guys is at the end of the packet, I gave you blank paper so you could make your own design. And you could make it to any scale factor you want. Now, let's go back to page 8. And when we're there at page 8, you can see on page 8 that the K, I'm asking you to dilate it to a factor of 2 and 3. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like. When you dilate from the blue K to a factor of 2, it's going to look like the red K. And when you dilate to a factor of 3, it's going to be massive and huge. I'm going to unmute right now. And I want everybody to tell me, do you guys want to try to dilate to a factor of 3? Who wants to try to dilate to a factor of 3? Raise your hand if you want to. Raise your hand if you want to. Okay, and Ava, you raised your hand, sweetheart. Go ahead, and then Avery. Go ahead, Ava.
Could we color in the K and like the M's?
Guys, if you don't color it in, I am going to be surprised. I love it when you color it in. Ava, great question. Avery, how about you?
I forgot to put my hand down.
No problem at all. No problem. And let's unmute yourself, Victoria, Sabrina, Julian. I'm just going to unmute around. Okay, now, everybody, let's go to page 8. And we're going to do this together. Now, it is scary tripling numbers. Tripling numbers can be really fun, but sometimes a little scary. Let's do one of my favorite ones right now. You ready? Who can tell me what that green point is? Who can give
1 3 times and 2.
a green point? Raise your hand.
3 times is 3, and 2 3 times is 6.
All right, everybody on 3. 1, 2, 3.
110.
All right, now everybody do a scale factor of 3. And I multiply 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What do I get?
3.
And when I multiply 10 by 3, 10 plus 10, what do I get?
30.
Everybody right now put a dot at point 330. Everybody right now
That's what you
put a dot at point 330. Everybody right now put a dot. Now, we are going to go to that point 1, 2, but we have to triple it. What happens when we triple the 1? What do we get?
3.
What happens when we triple 2? What do we get?
6.
Okay, everybody go to 3, 6. Everybody go to 3, 6 right here. And now with your ruler, make a line that goes down all the way. from 3:30 to 3:06. Was that the hugest line ever? How about you, Charles? You have a question, buddy? Charles, you have a question?
No.
Okay, you had your hand up. Okay, now, guys, everybody now, look at point 3.2.
That's my whole ruler.
Everybody look at point 3.2. Who can tell me what happens when we triple
Practically
our
my whole ruler.
Everybody triple 3. On 3, 1, 2, 3,
9.
9. And everybody triple 2. Go. Everybody find point 9.6. Everybody find
Oh, that's my ruler.
9.6.
Room 5.
Oh my God. That was really fun.
Here's 9, 6. Yeah.
Now, my next point is 5. We know how to triple 3 because 3 becomes what, everybody? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is what? 9. But who knows how to triple a 5? Who knows how to triple 5? Let's count by 5, everybody. 5, 10.
15.
Oh my God, you guys did it. Go to 9:15. Go to 9:15. I can't believe you were able to do that. That was awesome. Now my next point is 5.2. Well, you know that 5 tripled is what? Come on, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 is?
15.
And there it is, 15.6. Everybody go there.
Draw a line between those two now. Here to here.
All right, now, I'm gonna do the hardest one right now, and I hope that everybody's watching this one.
I
Because
will.
Mr. Kramer is gonna try to triple 7.2. Who can help me triple 7? Raise your hand if you can help me triple 7. 7 is hard to triple. 7 is hard to triple. Andrew, you go for it, buddy.
21.
Yes! Yes, Andrew, great job. So everybody go to 21. 2 plus 2 plus 2? Yes. Everybody go to 21.6. 21.6. Andrew, that was awesome. That was really awesome. Oh, guys. My next point is 4.6. Who can help me triple? Raise your hand, please. Who can help me triple 4.6? And I would love to have your hands up helping me to triple 4.6. Alexander, go for it. And Tess, go for it.
812.
Well, 812 would be doubling. 812 would be a factor of 2, a small factor of 2. But what happens if we do 4 plus 4 plus 4 more? Go ahead, Avery.
1218.
Oh my God, everybody go 1218. 1218. Avery, you rock. Nice job. Everybody go to 1218.
And where's the 18?
Avery, I didn't know you knew how to do that. That was cool. That was really cool. Now, the next one, guys, is going to be crazy. The next one, we have to triple 710. Victoria, you have a question, love.
I don't know if I got that paper or not. I don't know which
You know
paper.
what I do?
Oh, this is on page 8, honey.
Okay.
Really, because I don't think the pages are labeled.
Oh, okay. I wish it were labeled. I'm so sorry it's not. Who can help me triple 710? Charles, can you help me triple 710? Charles, you're muted, so you'll have to unmute yourself. Julian, can you help me triple 710? And you're muted, so you'll have to unmute yourself. Can anybody help me?
We're gonna be over here.
Can anybody help me triple 710?
Oh, what's 7 plus
Can
7?
anybody help me triple 710? And go for it, honey.
2130.
Remember that?
Wow, that was amazing. 21 and all the way up to 30.
I just said.
Anybody else find that?
And then
Right there.
Yeah, but you see, look at
Okay, the next one, guys. The next one is 510. Wait a minute, we can do 510. Who can help me with that? Ava. Ava, can you help me with 510? Can you help me triple 5 and then triple 10?
oh yeah.
I'm taking this. I'm gonna make
So
Triple
you want me
five.
to triple basically like 15?
Yeah, 15. And what happens when you triple 10?
and 10. So this one's gonna
What happens when I triple 10? When I triple 10, it's 30, but you want 15.
Oh, you got it.
go.
Got it. Everybody go to 1530.
I'll actually try.
Hey, Cam, Cam, could you help me with the next one? Cam, could you help me do 3-7? Could you help me triple 3-7?
3, 7. What's 3? 3.
Cam, could you help me triple?
Lots of the spot.
And if somebody else wants to raise their hand, they can help too.
Oh yeah, I think that's it.
Go ahead, Cam. Cam, can you triple 3-7? Say it out loud with your words. Okay, Avery, help me out.
921.
Oh my God, that's right. Line 21. Awesome, awesome job. And Tess, can you, Tess, help me out with my next point, which is 310. Can you triple 310 for me?
930.
Whoa, you did it. And guess what, everybody? I have to go back to 330.
Is it 3:30 already?
How many of you made them look like what Mr. Kramer's look like? Did yours get 3 times bigger? Did it get 3 times bigger? How about you, Lila?
Did it
Did it get 3 times bigger?
cool? So
You could do
Show me yours. Oh my God, Avery, that's awesome. And show me yours. Gabe, show me yours. And Julie, Alexander,
9:30.
Pam, and Victoria. Oh my God,
I'll go back to
Wait,
coloring
Tess.
again.
that's amazing. Show me your dilated head. And let's see. All right. Now, everybody now. Oh, Gabe, beautiful, beautiful job. Now, everybody put down their sheets for a second, and I want to show you something special. Everybody, and I'm gonna mute everybody. A little background noise right now. Now, I'm gonna go to this page here. The red K is a dilation of 2. Now, you guys can do that during the week, and it's a lot of fun. You can color them all in. Now, I gave you another challenge, and the other challenge, guys, And this is really one that I'm going to throw out right now. What if we did a dilation that was equal to 1/2? A dilation of 1/2. So the chess piece would actually get way, way smaller. I'm going to challenge you guys to do a dilation of 1/2. And I want to see what you come up with. Now, if we go further in the packet, you will find a very, very big M. And that big M is for mathletes. And the question is, can you do a dilation of 1/2? That means that you have to cut every value in half. So this one is 420. Who can cut 420 in half? On 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
210.
Oh my gosh, if you said 210, you are on your way. And when you do it, it's going to look like this, guys. Your M, your dilated M to a factor of 1/2 is going to look like this little M right here. Now, don't forget that Mr. Kramer gave you pages and pages to create your own. What are you going to create? Are you going to create a letter or a monster or a picture? Who has some ideas? What are you going to create? And then, how about you, Kim?
A dinosaur.
Oh my gosh. I would love to see a really, really small dinosaur become really, really big, Cam. Ava, what are you going to create?
My new baby sister.
Oh,
I'm gonna do it the
Ava. Ava, are you going to make your baby sister really small and then make her dilate bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger? Because that's what's going to happen when she grows up. Who else wants to share what they're going to create? Who else wants to share? All right. So everybody look at the computer screen. We are going to count. We're going to count from -20 all the way up to 0 by 4s. Are you guys ready? Let's go. We're going to go from -20. Everybody go. -20. On 3. 1, 2, 3. -20.
16.
Let's go up to 4. -12. Let's go up 4.
Negative 3.
Let's go up 4.
Negative 4.
But don't ever say
Say -0. 2, 4, 6, 8.
4, 6,
Mathletes.
Mathletes. Oh, let you say goodbye to your friends. Everybody wave to their buddies. And say, "I'll see you." You guys are so well. I can't wait to see your pictures. Send me everything you do. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.